Hi everybody, I'm going to show you an easy way to detox your liver while you sleep. Our liver is a very amazing organ and it does over 500 functions for our body. One of the main things it does for our body is it detoxifies our body from all the things that we put in it. All of our food, medications, anything you take goes through our liver to be detoxified. Sugar is one of the main things that damages our liver function. Our diet is very important, and if you eat a lot of junk food, foods that have been fried in using lots of bad oils, you are damaging your liver. It doesn't matter if you are fat or you are skinny, the same damage is being done. It's even more harder if you are skinny because you don't realize how much damage you are doing to your liver. When you eat these kinds of foods, this is what happens to your liver. It becomes very fatty. Most of the time you don't notice the damage until it becomes quite severe. Then you will experience things like pain in your right shoulder. You'll often feel very tired. You can have lots of pains develop all over your body. These are some of the common symptoms you might notice if you have liver damage. This is when your liver is very much damaged. This is not just a little bit damaged. This is a lot because your liver can handle a lot. Your body is quite amazing. But when it is quite damaged, then you will start to see a lot of these signs show up. This one is very easy because you can do it while you're sleeping. You will just need to get castor oil. Castor oil is made from this plant. How it works is it's 90% ricinic oleic acid. This acid is what makes everything work. There have been a lot of studies on this acid, and this is the main component. You can get one of these. These are specifically designed for castor oil packs. They're nice because you can just put the oil and everything together in this, and you don't have to worry about it staining on your clothes or blankets or wherever you are sitting. And they're not expensive. I'll leave a link for these in the description box and you can check them out. If you like to make it yourself, you can use a piece of flannel and you'll need to dip this into the castor oil. And if you warm the castor oil up a little bit, it will make it easier to be absorbed into the flannel. Once it is fully absorbed into the flannel, you're going to fold this up and place it over your abdomen area on the right where your liver is. And then you can place a cloth over that or even a piece of saran wrap or something if you don't want it to touch your heating pad, and then place the heating pad over the top of that. It's very simple. It's going to be absorbed through your skin and you're just going to lay with it on you. You can take a nap for about an hour and a half. And it's perfect time to just relax. And you need to try and do this about 5 times a week for 2 weeks. What does this do? This is very good at activating your liver. One of the main things is it increases your white blood cells. What's happening is it's awakening your immune system. It also helps to balance your nervous system. And it helps to wake up your lymphatic system, which increases the detoxification of your liver. It also can help to reduce the inflammation caused by a fatty liver. Many people also use this castor oil in this way for hormone balance. You may experience difficulties during your menstruals or menopause, and people have been known to use this also for balancing your hormones. If you're feeling brave enough and you want to do a very good job with your liver, you can go and watch my video to clean your liver in 10 steps. It's a very good video, very thorough of how you need to really cleanse and detoxify your liver even further. And you can do this cleanse and also apply these castor oil packs on your liver, and it will also help to increase the liver cleansing process and make it faster. If you're not ready for that, you need to just try to eat a little bit better. Try not to have so much sugar. while you're doing this, it will really help, because once you have sugar, it blocks the regular functioning of your liver and it makes it much harder for it to function and to detoxify. So you want to try to avoid that. If you can, please go and watch this video and see if you can do this full liver cleanse along with the castor oil. You'll be very happy that you did. I'll leave a link below in the description box where you can get some castor oil if you can't find it, and also the castor oil pad if you like to have that and don't want to have to make it yourself. Both are very inexpensive, and if you want to make it yourself, go for it. It works just as well. Please give this a try. It also helps to increase your ability to sleep well. So if you're having trouble and you're experiencing any kind of insomnia, this will also help. Please try it and leave me a comment down below how it went for you. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.